So the question is that ChatGPT have plagiarism or not? If you use it, are you going to be caught for using it, or are you going to be plagiarized? The thing is, ChatGPT is not perfectly self-automated or self-generated content. It's going to generate content from different sources as well, or from the different knowledges that it has gathered. So what will happen is once you generate the content, you can always paraphrase it, or better still, after you've generated, you run it through a plagiarism test. If the plagiarism test you pass it, then you are ready to release the content out there for everyone. But if you don't pass it, then you have to work around it by using the same chat GPT to be able to re-paraphrase it, and it can do it for you. You can ask ChatGPT to paraphrase whatever that you are doing, and it will do it for you. This will go a long way to help you avoid plagiarism, because plagiarism can affect you in the long run. Probably in the short run term you may be enjoying it, but in the long run it can affect you. Copyright is also another thing that you should be aware of when monetizing your skills on ChatGPT.